Hello guys, once again, it's Vin exclusive. For today's video, I'm here inside of 2025 Chery Tiggo Grand Tour. 7-seater MPV design and style for family. Sa mga magbabarkadang malalaki, so ito ay para sa inyo. For this price range, so sobrang sulit nito. And tara, check natin, pasadahan natin, interior, exterior, and later on, mag-test drive na rin tayo. And of course, I would like to thank you, Chery Auto Marilao, sila Ma'am May Francisco, sila Sir Dave, si Ma'am Gladys Posas, thank you so much. So, game na tayo! Ito, Chery Tiggo Grand Tour ay color gray. So wala siyang specific color na pwede mong or code na tatawagan, hindi metallic gray. Gray lang siya as is. Now, on the front side, front fascia, we have here the LED headlight with DRL or daytime running light. And of course, we have here the new design, which is the Infinity Mesh front grille. So we still have yung part ng 360-degree camera and of course, yung logo ni Chery. And then down below, so we still have here, I think parang abang to sa mga adaptive cruise control and all that. And then wala yung fog light or fog lamp. Front fog lamp wala. And kung makikita nyo dito nakalagay na Tiggo LED technology. And of course sa engine we have the 1.5 turbocharged 4-cylinder DOH or the dual overhead cam that produces 146 horsepower and 210 Newton meters of torque. And sa gulong, so we have here the 18 inches two-tone alloy wheel, parang same din dun sa Chery Tiggo 8 Pro. Actually, kung titignan mo siya, mula sa body design, sa side mirror, and then sa front fascia, except dito sa grille na to, so para siyang Tiggo 8 Pro. And then, same din ang design, meron tayong accent dito sa may sidings. Ayan, so same. Brake lamp. And then we have the Chery badge, Tiggo badge. Then this one is LED with sequential turning signal light. And same to I think dun din sa Chery Tiggo 8 Pro. And we have our two fake exhausts. Dagdag na lang to sa aesthetic design nitong Chery Tiggo Grand Tour. Ito, so nag-iisa lang siya. And then we have two sensors at the back. And then 360-degree camera. We still have our 360-degree camera. So let's go inside. So upon entering dito sa sidings natin, so same to dun sa Chery Tiggo 7 Pro ko na design. Ganun din sa lock and unlock button ng doors. So meron tayong spaces dito for our drinks and all that na pwedeng ilagay. We have the speaker and of course automatic tailgate adjustment ng headlight which is here. And then ang ating steering wheel. Then we have the function for cruise control, function for the infotainment system, and then yung design nito is same din sa Tiggo 7 Pro. Yung lights, turning signals, sa wiper, sa mist, and all that. Infotainment system, this one is 10.25 inches. Pure black lang talaga. Push start button, of course. And then physical button for the volume, hazard, settings, calls, and all that. For the aircon, we have physical button pa rin, sync. And then this is a gear shifter, electronic parking brake, auto hold. We have the different mode, around view monitoring or the 360-degree camera, hill descent control. We have two spaces here, lagayan ng inumin. And then sa baba ay yung ating cooling system. We have the panoramic sunroof, LED yung mga cabin light. We have the sun visor, pero wala siyang cabin light. So this is the sports mode and eco mode. And yung design dito, parang namumukhaan ko kasi para siyang sa Tiggo 5X. So, ang cute kasi meron tayong maliit na LCD dito in which hindi naman to touch screen, talagang screen lang siya. And ang maganda sa kanya, merong cooling dito sa ating upuan. Plus minus ng level ng fan, defroster ng front and rear, circulation ng hangin. We have the front, sa foot, and then that's it. And of course, meron din tayong spaces dito to put in kung ano man yung mga kailangan nating ilagay, and then mga USB cable for charging and all that. So yun, automatic pa rin yung ating seat. So wala tayong lumbar support. We have forward, backward, and then sa recline itong ating sandalan. And then let's go naman dito sa second row. Second row, it has the same design. And then we have the speaker, button for the window, automatic up and down. May spaces dito, lagayan ng mga kung ano-ano. And then spacious, di ba? And then we have two aircon vents. And then ito na yung sa likod. So may ilaw lang doon sa may upper part. And then that's the two rear seats. And this one costs for 1,188,000 in peso. Automatic tailgate. Okay. And sobrang spacious niya. So nandito lang yung mga tambak ng mga mating kasama pag bumili ka nito, syempre. So we still have here yung ating tools. And then spare tire, same. And automatic tailgate. Guys, time check, it's already 1:21 in the afternoon. So this one is the test drive unit, color silver. Sobrang linis niyang tignan, sobrang ganda. Ground clearance pala nito ay 212 law. So let's go inside and let's have a quick test drive and check. Sobrang linis. Mabango. So wala akong mic, so baka naririnig niyo yung ingay dito. Anyway, let's go inside. Yun, so guys, currently naka sports mode tayo. Sobrang tahimik pa rin ng makina. Red 2. And yung cabin noise, wala akong marinig ng mga noises or anything. Sobrang tahimik niya. We are just in the middle of the traffic dahil sa concert dito sa Philippine Arena ng SB19. Mapa eco mode, sports mode, sobrang tahimik ng cabin. Wala akong nadidinig at all. Kahit na medyo galit, although medyo ramdam mo yung performance ng DCT na makina versus dun sa CVT or sa continuous variable transmission. So may pitek, kaya sobrang lakas ng torque mararamdaman mo talaga. Punta na kayo sa Cherry Auto Marilao dealership and kontakin nyo yung person na ilalagay ko sa description box below na si Sir Renus. Ayun, meron silang available color na white, gray, silver, and yung color black. And then yung current na gamit ko ngayon ay color silver na parang similar din siya sa color white. Kasi nung nakita ko kanina dun pa lang habang nililinis, iba talaga eh. Tapos yun din, kapag magte-turn ka ng signal left and right, so meron tayo ditong active na 360-degree camera. Sobrang smooth din ang steering wheel na ito. Ang lambot na itong grasping dito sa manibela. And turning signal, sequential yan. And then we have the daytime running light. And then LED na headlight. Pogi, di ba? Parang Tigo 8 Pro.